Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a microSD card at a Samsung Galaxy A42 5G. Okay, so first of all we need next to the phone this SIM ejection tool. If you put it back in the box as you have inserted the SIM card, you will find it like here. So open the box like this, and then you will find it in the cover in another box. Here it is. So just remove it like this, and yeah. If you don't have it anymore, of course, you can use also the edge of the good old paper clip. And if you have the phone like this, you will find now on the side of the phone the SIM tray. And on the top of the SIM tray is a small hole in there. And with the edge of the pin or the paper clip, you enter this hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. Okay, in this position here, you will place the microSD card. In case you have a second SIM card here right now, you have to remove it because you have to decide between a second SIM card or a microSD card. Okay, let's enter the microSD card here. It's better to hold the first SIM card if you insert the microSD card because that nothing jumps out. It has to look like this then at the end. And the contacts are below. Okay, now insert this construction back into the phone. Take care that nothing jumps out. Shake a bit sometimes. And it's inserted. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in how to transfer data from the internal storage to the microSD card, because that would be the next point here. And yeah, or you can just subscribe me if you don't want to miss a new video of my channel. It would be really a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.